random, but just slime ingredients into putty. So I saw a video on Instagram, guys, of somebody adding like shaving cream, and I thought at first, I was like, that is not gonna work. But then it actually works. So I really want to try this, guys, to see what would happen. So let's get straight on into the video. Alright, guys, so first we're gonna do is this well, actually they're all Nickelodeon because I really like the texture of Nickelodeon putty. But anyways, this one is liquid lava putty. It's green to lime. It changes colors. So yeah, just go ahead and open that. I like this one because it's kind of like, it's the perfect amount of soft and like firm for, you know, a putty. I really like it. Cause like sometimes the putties are super duper hard and it's like, it hurts. But like this one is very nice. All right, guys, so first what we're gonna add is lotion. I know people used to add like lotion and conditioner and things to putty to kind of make it feel more like homemade slime. So I'm gonna guess that this is gonna have that effect, but I don't think I really ever did it. And if I did, I don't really remember. Okay, there. So we're gonna put some lotion. This is why I just opened the whole container. Let's mix that in and see what happens. I also wanted to use this putty because it's like softer, so I felt like it was gonna kind of be able to soak in the ingredients a bit more. Okay, so it seems like it's kind of taking in the lotion. I'm just kind of like squeezing it back and forth. Okay, I think it's slowly starting to work. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. Like, is it gonna be kind of like, is it gonna become clicky, or is it gonna become really nice and soft and stretchy? I wonder. If it becomes like soft and stretchy, I'm gonna be so happy. All right, guys, I think I'm finally almost done. Not completely, but it seems like it's pretty good. Oh my gosh, it's like super stretchy. It seems like I'm just gonna keep on kneading it though, because I still have like lotion on my hands, so I'm trying to get rid of that. Yes, this is amazing. Okay, so it is very, very, very soft. I love the texture, but it doesn't stretch as much. It kind of like falls apart like this. But like, it has such a cool texture. I'm gonna see if it clicks though, because I kind of feel like it will click. So let's see. You guys ready? You ready? Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That's so weird. Okay, so it actually turned out very, very nice. I feel like though it could have been like better if I added just a little bit less lotion so that it wouldn't be so like rippy. Like fall apart, I guess. Not rippy, but like it falls apart very easily. But yeah, that's it. It is so nice, and it actually kind of feels like homemade slime. So this was a success, guys. I like this one a lot. Very, very nice. Let's get on to the next one. I cannot wait. Alrighty, guys, next we're gonna do is this yellow, orange to yellow putty, and we're gonna put in foam soap. I am so excited for this one because foam soap always gives like a weird texture, and I feel like this one will be able to absorb it like really fast. I don't know, but we'll see. I love that this putty comes out of its packaging so fast, guys. Like, a lot of times when I'm like playing with like, when I'm trying to get a putty out of its container, it like takes forever because everything sticks. But like this one actually just slides right out and it's very nice. Okay, so we're gonna make a ball and then we're gonna flatten it. And now we're gonna put our foam soap. This is from Dial. And yeah, let's do this. All right, I'm excited for this one. Okay, I think that's a good amount. We'll add more if we need some. I hope this makes it sizzly because sometimes putties can get sizzly, and I hope that this makes it sizzly. Okay, so let's mix it in. It seems like it's mixing in pretty quickly and pretty well. It also kind of feels like it's hardening it. It's weird. It's definitely changing the texture. This is weird. This is so weird. Okay, I don't think it's hardening it. It's just kind of like separating it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of like separating it and making it stringy, but I think it's fine. I think I just need to knead it in. This is very interesting. Okay, let's add more. This is so cool. All right, guys, so I think there's a bunch of foam soap on the table still, but I think I did get like a lot of it into the putty, and this is so weird, guys. Like, it actually like mixed very well with it. So it is, first of all, very, like, a lot softer than it was before. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, you can just smush it really quick. And it's also like, just like less firm. And yeah. But I do like, this kind of has like the same texture as the lotion, but I do like the foam soap better because, first of all, I was able to get it into the putty a lot quicker. And it doesn't give like a waxy effect because the lotion kind of gave it, the putty, a waxy effect, and I really didn't like that. But this actually just kind of gives it like a slimy effect. So we're gonna go ahead and click it, see, or poke it, I mean, and see if it has any clicks. So let's do this. I am excited. Okay. No, it doesn't. Dang, guys, so close. Okay, well, it kind of reminds me of a butter slime though. It's so weird. Okay, guys, if you get a putty and you don't like how hard it is, just add a little bit of foam soap, less than I did because this kind of got like not as stretchy, but just add a little bit of foam soap or just a little bit of lotion and it will get nice. I recommend foam soap better though. I like the foam soap better. Okay, let's get on to the next one. This has been really cool and a success so far, so let's keep going. Okay. Next we're gonna do, guys, is, can you guess what it is? Can you guys guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. Clay. I feel like this one's gonna be kind of hard to get into the putty, but that's not gonna stop me. I think it will work with some perseverance. Okay, so let's get our clay. There. Let's get our clay. So I think I'm just gonna get like a piece of the clay because I don't think we should add the whole thing. Plus, clay is kind of like drying. I don't know if you guys can see. I think this piece should be good. I feel like we might need to add like some lotion, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so we're gonna add that much to it and let's go. I'm excited. I feel like this one will either be really easy to mix into here or really hard to mix into here. But so far, it actually looks like it's gonna be kind of easy. I am excited for this one, guys. Well, I'm excited for all of them, but like, I don't know. This one seems like I'm extra excited for. Okay, so far it's pretty easy to mix and it's mixing pretty well. Oh, this is actually turning out pretty nice. Wow. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I did not think you could mix things with putty so easily. I feel like the putties nowadays have become a little bit easier to mix in and like softer. Because before the putties used to be like really hard and you couldn't do anything with it. Like I would try so hard to knead some lotion into it and it would just take forever. Alright, well here's how that turned out. It actually mixed very well. It kind of has like a Play-Doh consistency now. Not very buttery, but I'm gonna add a little bit more clay though, and if it's still kind of weird, I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion. Guys, the reason why I am like kind of stretching the clay before I use it is because sometimes the clay for some reason gets like dry pieces and it's very annoying. Okay, yeah, this is getting very, very dry because of the clay. So I'm gonna add some either lotion or foam soap. I feel like foam soap will be better. So I'm just gonna add like one little spritz. Definitely getting better. Oh my gosh, that just went all over my table, guys. All right, well here's how this slime turned out. It didn't turn out, well not slime, I mean putty. Okay, but it didn't turn out the best. I don't like this one in general, like the clay. But like it actually mixed pretty well and I'm very surprised and amazed that it actually mixed and worked. But I don't really like the texture too much. It is kind of like Play-Doh, so if you like Play-Doh texture, then that is that, so yeah. Okay, well that was very interesting. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, next we're gonna do, guys, is this purple putty. Purple to pink. There we go. Oh, this one is so pretty. And we're gonna be adding sherry cream! Yeah! I know you guys have all been waiting for this, so we're gonna do it now. Okay guys, let's flatten it out a little bit. Oh my gosh. go. And let's add our shaving cream. Okay, I feel like this is a good amount because I don't think we should put too much. Alright guys, let's mix this. I am so excited to see. I watched the video a while ago, so I don't really remember what happened. But I am excited to do this. You guys think it's going to be easy to mix? I feel like it's going to be hard. Like, shaving cream is already hard to mix with like slime in general. So I wonder what this. Okay, this is taking forever to get the shaving cream inside the putty. But we're gonna do it. I don't even know if it's like soaking it up. Okay guys, I think I'm finally getting the shaving cream to get inside of the putty. And I feel like the putty's getting a little bit fluffy, but I don't know. Let's keep going. I barely even got the pile of shaving cream on my hands inside here, and not even like this whole pile over here. I don't know how that person did it on Instagram because they did it so smoothly. They were just like normal slime. This is starting to kind of like fall apart. The putty is like falling apart and it's not going back together. Okay, I think we're finally starting to get somewhere. Okay, I think it's working, guys. I think we're finally almost done. Alright guys, I finally mixed it all in. Here it is. It basically got stretchier. That's it. This was not worth it at all. It took forever. This is not worth it at all, and it got kind of sticky too. This is so weird because shaving cream usually kind of like activates things, so I thought this would make it kind of harder or something, but it didn't. It stayed putty. It didn't even like become any fluffier. I don't even know where the shaving cream went, honestly. Like, where did it go? There's like a whole pile of shaving cream. Where did it go? I feel like this even got smaller. Okay, well, I guess that's it for that one. You guys comment down below which one is your favorite. I don't know what mine is. I think it might be the foam soap one. So you guys comment down below which is your favorite. Like I said, I think mine is the foam soap one. And also, if you guys want to do a part 2, this is actually so fun. You guys comment down below if you guys want to do like random ingredients or just other slime ingredients, like maybe even glue. This is melting on my hand. And that is it. Love you so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.